Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about our classroom technology rules of fun. It's really important that we follow these rules so that we can make sure that we keep our technology nice and safe and make sure we're using it to the best abilities and the way that we should. All right, guys, let's get started. First is we need to make sure our hands are clean before using our device. That's right. Miss Nellie would like everyone to wash their hands before we use our devices. That way we can keep our devices clean and allow no germs to spread to our other friends. Rule number 2 is we need to keep food and drinks away from our device. I know sometimes we have snacks during our free time, but there is no using our technology when we are eating snacks. So no food and no drinks while we are using our devices. We need to also, rule number 3, hold our device with 2 hands always, especially when we use our iPads, friends. It is very, very important that we use 2 hands because we don't want to drop or hurt or bang up our iPads. Rule number 4 is we only visit websites and apps for learning. That's right. You need to only go to websites that are appropriate and approved by Miss Nellie and your teacher assistants. And finally, rule number 5 is we need to plug our device in when we are not using it. That way that our devices stay charged and we can have them ready for friends when they need to use them next or any activities we will be using them. And finally, when we follow all 5 of those rules, we are going to have fun. That's right, friends. Thank you so much for listening to Miss Nellie's Technology Rules of Fun, and we will see you in the classroom. Goodbye.